Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the PNG you want to convert. Open File Explorer and navigate directly to the folder. Once located, right-click the image and choose Open with Paint or Photos. Use Paint for precise control. Make sure any file with transparency is acceptable to flatten, because JPEG won't keep that layer. If you'll convert several files, select them now, then right-click one and pick Open to load them sequentially. This gets you in position to do the actual export. You're now inside Paint. Go to File, pick Save As, and choose JPEG Picture. This is the direct conversion step. Once you pick JPEG, name the file and confirm the destination folder. Paint flattens transparency automatically, which is why you might lose alpha channels. If you care about quality, click Tools or Options when offered, and pick a higher quality to reduce compression artifacts. For multiple files, use Photos Export or run a quick PowerShell loop to automate saving as JPG. It saves time for dozens. You finish by opening the saved JPG to confirm colors and cropping are correct. Make sure no unexpected transparency artifacts remain. If the image looks overcompressed, reopen the PNG and save again with higher quality, or use GIMP or Photoshop for finer control over compression and color profiles. If the save fails or you see permission errors, right-click Paint and Run as administrator, or copy the file to your desktop and retry. That resolves most write permission issues and completes the conversion process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.